Happy Mail Friday, woohoo! And I have 3 amazing mails to share with you today. So bear with me, I am trying this with my new microphone setup and Link is next to me in a box. So if I get interrupted by Link, then you know why. And if I have to change some things, then you also know why. But let's just jump right in because I have 3 amazing mails to share with you today. I will first start with this one. Because this is a continuation on the beautiful journal Jadwiga sent to me. She also sent me a letter, which of course I'm not going to share with you, but I really wanted to share with you the lovely image that she has sent it. And she also included a few other little bits for me to use. So she included this image from a magazine, I believe, and also some other images for me to use. So I'm very, very excited. Thank you so much, Jadwiga. I'm so happy to have a letter from you. I will put it with your junk journal that you made for me, and then so I can keep those together. Then next up, I received mail from Ezra, which was really, really exciting, and they also sent some kitty happy mail, so they loved it. Let's see if I got everything. No, I didn't. So I received some wonderful, wonderful teas. I'm very, very excited to try these out. I already tried this one out, I believe, and I loved it. But the clipper teas are always teas I very, very much enjoy. So I'm very looking forward to trying these out. Then they also sent me these cards, and they are printed double-sided, and they have a quote or something on there. So this one says shoot for the moon, and then on the back, for my part, I know nothing with any certainty, but the sight of the stars makes me dream. That's from Vincent van Gogh. And I love it. These will be great in my journal as tip-ins. And then this one says make a wish. And if you turn it around, it says, like vintage years of wine, you have the qualities of the year and the seasons in which we are born. That's by Carl Jung. And also love this card. The quality is also amazing. So I don't know where you got these from, but I absolutely love them. Then this one with this cute little rocket. And it says, you are never too old to wish upon a star. Very, very true. Then I also received some amazing washi samples. Ezra always sends the most amazing washi samples. I always love them. So I also really, really love these, and I can't wait to use them in my personal journal. Then we have some cat treats. So the kitties are very, very happy. I will take the letter out. So there was a letter, of course. And then they sent me some cat stickers. Look how cool. I love these stickers. They are amazing. You can never have too many cats. I absolutely agree with that, but I don't think Coda will enjoy having another brother or sister. Oh, love them, love them. And then some wonderful stationery stickers. These are just basic stickers, which I can use on anything, and I absolutely love that. Absolutely love that, and they are also great quality. So thank you so much, Ezra. I absolutely love it. And the kitties will also very, very much enjoy this happy meal. And then last one that I have to share with you today is from Lucy. And Lucy sent me something so amazing. I absolutely loved it. So Lucy is also part of the Take 5 team. And she made me this amazing postcard. Look how beautiful. You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. I absolutely love this, Lucy. It is gorgeous. So this will definitely go up on my Happy Mail wall. I shared my Happy Mail wall in the last video, so go check that out if you want to see my Happy Mail wall with things I collect over there that people send me. But this one will definitely go on that wall. Then, of course, there's a little note on the back, which I'm not going to share with you, but there's also this cute paper clip with a tassel. And then she added some goodies for me, and I'm super excited about these goodies because they are from her shop, and I love her style. She creates great quality products. So I'm very excited about these. So I think this is a sticker from her, or I know this is a sticker from her because this is her style. Then one with look for the rainbows, and this one will go on one of my bullet journals. I just started in a new one in a sage green color, so I think this one will look amazing. It's a vinyl sticker, I believe, and it feels amazing. Such a great quality. Then another sticker, and I also love this one. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Then she also added a daily planner sticker sheet. And I think I'm going to use this in a journal where I'm documenting weekly. I still need to publish videos about that. But that is what I started doing beginning of March. So I think I'm going to use these stickers for a week on that. And then she also included some very, very cool washi samples. Absolutely love them. I love to receive washi tape. You all know I have this serious washi tape problem. So that was Happy Mail Friday for today. Thank you all so much for sending me these wonderful, wonderful mails. I have made 2 mails, one for Marie and one for a person that I'm not going to say because I made that one on the live stream. But I still need to write the letters. I haven't found any time yet to write the letters, but I hope to do so soon. And I hope to catch up on all the wonderful mail that was sent to me and reply to everyone. So if you send me mail, I am working on it. I have this wonderful list and I'm working through my list to send everyone a reply. So if you like this video, I would love it if you'd give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you'd consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Put on the notification bell on all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all so much for watching and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!